So this topic is a pre-order iterative method using a stack. Okay, so we are finding the pre-order using iterative method, and data structure we are using the stack. Okay, so uh, check. So pre-order of this pre-order means first print the value, then left, then right. Print the value of a node, then go to the left of a node, then go to the right of a node. Okay, this is the method. If if I find the pre-order of this, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 4, then 5, then 3, then go to 6, then 7. This is the pre-order. Okay. Now check this code. Okay. So this code say I will provide the root node. Then this is the root node. Okay. Now initialize the vector v, which is storing the integer value, and return the integer also. Okay. This is returning the integer value. Now, so let's take a vector v. Okay, so if root is null, then return v. V means nothing. So root is not null, root is 1, so it is not returning the vector v. So take a stack which is storing the value of a tree node type. Okay, so this is the stack st, and it will store the value of a tree node type. Okay, so the push the root in a stack. So root is 1, we are storing the root. So it say if stack is not empty, this loop will run till stack is not empty. uh, if the let's take another node which is a data structure type, whichever tree node tree type data structure, and the st of a top means this, it will assigning to the node, then this is also node. Now check, let's say the pop the stack. Now pop, then push the node value to the v, the node value is 1, then store to the v, and let's say if the node right is exist, then and push to the stack. So node right is 3, so 3, then it's a node left is present, then push back to the stack. So the node right means 2. Okay, so what is going in this code? It is going first insert the this value, and the in a stack, then it delete this value, then enter this value, right value in a stack, then left value in a stack, this way. So now top is this. Okay, top is this. So while stack is empty, not empty, 2 and 3 is there. So top stack top into the node. So this is the node. Okay, now print the value, delete this, and node value, store the node value in a v. So node value is 2. So check node left is present, yes, then push this into this, and put check node right is there. So sorry, node right is 5, so 5 store 5, then store the left means 4 to this. Okay, now what are the elements in a stack? 5, 4 and 3. Okay, so top is this, top is 4. Okay, Now uh, this check stack is empty, not empty. So stack is not empty, then top of a stack is 4. Then uh, assign the node to the top of a stack. So 4. So this is top, this is node. Okay. Then put the node value into the vector v means 4. Then it says then put the right of a node in a stack which is null, nothing is there, and a node of this is a left is nothing, then put into the stack. So no, nothing is put in a stack, and no top of a stack is deleted. So delete this. Okay, already delete this. Now top is this. Okay. Now for 5 it will check stack is empty, not empty. So top is at 5, so node is 5. Now delete this, so delete this. Okay, then let's say push back the node value into the vector, and check it's a left or right exist or not. So there right is not exist, left is not exist, so nothing. Now check stack is empty, not empty, 3 is there. So top of a 3, so node now become a 3, and it said delete the node, and node right push back to the stack. So node right is 7, so 7 is pushed back to the this, and it's a node left push back to the stack, so 6, and it's a delete this, already deleted, and now check stack is empty, no, so top of a stack is this. So now node is pointing to 6, and it's a delete the 6, 6 is deleted, and it's a 3 is already here. So it's a push back the value of a node and push back to the 6 into the vector, and 6 already deleted, and it's 6 right is there, no, there is no right. So 6 left is there, no left, so it's completed. Now come to this 7, node is now 7, then delete this, and it say the put the value of a node into the vector, and check it's a right is present, no, it's a left and present, no. So come to this, check is stack is empty or not. Yes, empty, nothing is there, so return the v. So v is this is the preorder using the stack. So if you are looking for a time complexity, mm, time complexity, if you want the time complexity, so we know the all the element one by one is stored in this, and push and pop happen 2 times. First this, then the order of one element, for a one element the push and pop will take order of 1 and order 1, so it will happen 2 times. So number of node in this is n. So time complexity is 2n, and the insertion in a vector also take order of 1 for n element, so order of n. So total time complexity is a 3n, so time complexity over this order of n. Okay.